welcome to a sold-out show from Phoenix, Arizona. I'm Michael Cole, here with Taz at ringside, and we got a show for you tonight.
Hey Cole, we're in the desert! This is nuts! Every SmackDown show is bigger and better than the ones that came before, and tonight's gonna be bigger than all of them.
That's a bold statement, partner, but I can't disagree. I don't think Phoenix has any idea what they're in for tonight.
I feel like a real jerk when somebody counters you like that.
Submission hold locked in. We may see a tap out right here.
And even if you can't make your opponent tap out, this will take a lot of fight out of it. It's obvious these superstars have studied each other real carefully, Cole.
No question about that, Taz. You won't last long against an opponent you haven't done your homework on.
That was a textbook reversal. This proves without a doubt why SmackDown's the dominant brand in sport.
Ah, come on. How about a little sportsmanship, for God's sake?
Hey, Cole. Shut up. This has been a real rocket bust of a match so far.
It has indeed, but I think this crowd would like to see these superstars pick up the pace a little bit.
What are you talking about? This is some classic old school wrestling here. Picking up spots and waiting for your opportunities. Seems like things have quieted down a little bit here, Cole.
I think this may just be the calm.
Here's the
pin! And there's the reversal.
See this level of competition, Cole? There is no doubt that SmackDown's just head and shoulders better than Raw.
I couldn't agree more, Taz. Raw has some incredible superstars, no question about it. But they just can't compete with SmackDown's finest.
Cole, I know you're just trying to be diplomatic, but you can't seriously sit there and say that there's anyone on the Raw roster you'd want to have here on SmackDown.
No, I'm 100% serious, Taz. Can you imagine having Triple H or Batista or Chris Jericho on Friday nights?
Rope break.
It could take SmackDown to the next level.
This one's pretty much a foregone conclusion. Not too tough to figure out who's gonna win this one.
You know, this wouldn't be the first time.
I've been locked in this hole before, and it hurts even worse than it looks.
I can't even imagine the amount of pain that this hole must inflict on any superstar who winds up in it. The conditions are right for a finishing move.
Can you believe this match so far, Cole?
I really can't, Taz. This isn't anything like what I expected from these competitors.
Yeah, I gotta admit, they're surprising the hell out of me here, too.
And I think it's that unpredictability that makes these superstars so exciting to watch.
Oh man, this is just about the last hole you want to find yourself in.
I can imagine. Just look at the pressure being applied here.
Wow, great reversal. Look at this! Could it be? You're damn right it is, Cole. And that's a finisher right there. This is completely off the hook, Cole.
We were expecting a solid match from these superstars, but this is even better than I'd hoped.
There's the reversal, Cole.
Dude, these superstars are clearly giving it their all tonight.
Not a surprise there at all, Cole. I mean, tell me the last time that you saw a WWE superstar only go halfway.
I don't think I ever have, Taz. Everyone on the roster gives 110%. If they didn't, they wouldn't be here. Will we see a finishing move right here? Great reversal.
These WWE fans just can't get enough of these superstars.
And I'm glad to see it. A WWE match isn't just about competition, it's also about entertaining the fans.
Okay, well, if that's the case, how come they got you as an announcer? Oh man, here it comes!
And that might be the end of the match right there. There's a reason that's called a finishing move.
Seeing a match like this makes me proud to be part of this company.
What a counter that was! I don't think this will work, but you can't question this superstar's heart.
Yeah, that's true, but the thing about hearts is they gotta pump someone to the brain.
This could be a finish.
Wow. I guess it's true what they say, flip-flop. It's all fair in love and war.
And there certainly isn't a lot of love being shown in that ring tonight.
Nice quick counter. I've been looking forward to this match all night long, Cole.
So have I. It's certainly been one of the most anticipated matchups in recent weeks.
And usually when you have that kind of hype, it's really tough to live up to the expectations. But these superstars ain't having any trouble doing that.
They sure aren't. And that's an impressive thing in and of itself.
Look at these superstars, Cole. There's the submission hold. I've seen a lot of superstars tap out to this one, Cole.
You and me both, partner, and we might be about to see another one right here. Nice reversal.
This has been a great match so far. I think it's pretty obvious which way it's going.
Oh, really? Are you willing to go out on a limb and actually make a guess then?
There's no guesswork involved. And there's the counter, Cole. is not just a match anymore, Cole. These superstars have got a legitimate beef with each other.
They do indeed. There's a lot of bad blood here for sure.
And if this keeps...
What a reversal!
Here it comes, look out!
Oh man, many a superstar has fallen prey to this maneuver. I think the referee's out, Taz.
Okay, well, let's start getting sturdy and rest, Cole. This kind of thing seems to happen all the time. Cole, I've asked you who you were pulled for in this match, but I think it's pretty obvious since the beginning who you root for.
I never claimed to be completely objective, Taz. It's no secret I respect superstars who stick within the rules and show some sportsmanship in the ring.
You gotta understand, Cole, I know it ain't exactly kosher, but you're putting your body on the line in there. You gotta do whatever it takes to protect yourself and pick up the win.
Kaz, you're talking about two different things. Going outside the rules in the name of self-defense is one thing, but cheating to steal a victory and enhance your own career is something completely... And here's the cover!
1, 2... That wasn't even 2! Whoa! I think these fans have got a little something they want to share with us.
They're right, Taz. They
You know, I know I say this a lot, Cole, but this is not ballet. You step between those ropes, you better be prepared to take some punishment.
And to dish some out as well. I don't think I've ever seen a superstar win a match. What a submission maneuver. You must be familiar with this one, Taz.
Yeah, I've been on both sides of it, Cole. That's the truth. And let me tell you, it's better to give than receive.
I don't believe it. This one's over.
Well, that's a
Here's your winner. That certainly was a decisive victory.
Flair!
Pinfall left no room for ambiguity.
Nope. You let your shoulders stay down on the mat for 3, you lose. That's it. That's simple.